we have the customer support section. So basically, in the customer support section, the admin will manage all the queries and all the tickets that have been raised on the platform. It will include all these details: the image of the user, the name of the user, the title, meaning the actual title of that particular ticket raised, and the reason, which is the actual reason behind the query that has been submitted, along with the admin reason in case the ticket has already been resolved. There's also the user image shown again and the description of the ticket. By clicking on View More, the admin will be able to see what was the complete description provided by the particular user when raising the query. Then, there is an option to change the status of the ticket from pending to ongoing or to resolved. So, these are all the tickets that have been resolved from the user end. If, in case, the status is still marked as pending, the admin can manually change its status to ongoing or resolved, depending on the situation. And next, in the Add Reasons section, this part will contain a set of predefined reasons that will be visible to users inside the user application when they raise a ticket. From here, the admin can add new preset reasons, and they can also delete existing ones. For example, if the admin wants to add a reason like delay in pickup, they simply enter it, then click on Submit. So now, if any user wants to register a new query on the platform, they can go to Customer Support, raise the query, and this predefined reason, delay in pickup, will appear in the list for them to select. The admin can also edit this reason, delete this reason, and add as many reasons as they wish, based on the needs of the platform. So, this is all about the customer support section. From here, all the queries and issues submitted by users in the application will be viewed, managed, and solved directly by the admin.